Spend crypto like fiat. This is the best crypto debit card that you can get in 2024 to spend your crypto effortlessly. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a card like this, why you need one, what are its advantages and disadvantages, and how you can get a free $5 bonus. Hello everyone, my name is Mazine and I'm a crypto trader and investor since 2021. This is my second profitable bull run, and in this channel I present to you the best crypto opportunities. So if you don't want to miss them, make sure to subscribe and activate the notification. That way you can be the first one to get notified whenever there is a new update. So right from the start, for people who already know how to use crypto-based services, you can use the link below to sign up and get your free $5, and from there it's pretty much clear. But for people who need more information and more guidance, let's start by analyzing their website. So first, when we get to RedotPay website, we have spend crypto like fiat, seamless payments with cryptocurrencies, and they show you a balance with some purchases from Telegram, Starbucks coffee, and it says that it's accepted by 44 million plus merchants worldwide, like TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, KFC, Amazon. You can get either a physical one or a virtual one, and both of them are accepted with Google Pay and Apple Pay. And from there it shows you that you can send USDT, for example, and then they have a section for their business partners. So as you can see, they have some big names like Binance, Get.io, OKLink. So it's pretty much good. And then they have frequently asked questions. So there is, why was my KYC verification not approved? The KYC review can either take from 5 to 10 minutes, but if you are from these countries that are stated here, the service is not available to you. So check your country before signing up to this service. So then they have a question, what should I do if my deposit does not meet the minimum required amount? So for this, you just need to check what is the minimum deposit amount for each crypto. And then they have a question, how long does it take for a deposit to be credited? So they said from 1 minute to 1 hour, depending on the network condition. And I already tested it and it's pretty much fast. So this company is based in Hong Kong, and I've used their service for the past few months and I didn't get any bad experience so far. But if you want to sign up, you can sign up using the link which is in the description. That will also allow you to get $5 bonus. So when you click on the link, you will get to this page, and to sign up, all you need to do is put your email and click on get code. You will receive a verification code and then you will register. After that, you will need to do a KYC verification and then your profile will get verified. Now let's move to the app so I can show you more about this. Okay guys, so now let's move to the app. After doing your KYC, you will find yourself in this page, which is the wallet. And as you can see, you can deposit assets, which are the USDT, USDC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDS. And to deposit the assets to your wallet, the only thing you need to do is click on deposit, choose the assets you want to send, and then select the network you want to use. For example, let's choose BNB Smart Chain. And then you just need to copy your address and go to your exchange, withdraw the amount of USDT and send it to this address by using the BNB Smart Chain network. And to get your money out of this app, the only thing you need to do is click on withdraw, select the assets you want to withdraw, and select the network, for example TRC20, and go to your exchange or your wallet and copy your TRC20 address and paste it here and put the amount you want to withdraw and click on withdraw. Then if you want to send the money you have here to another person that has the same application, you just need to click on send and put his email address or his ID. And then we have the scan option, which you can use to send as well. After that, guys, you're gonna go to the card page, and as you can see, this is my card, virtual card. But for you, you just need to go to new and apply for a card. So for the virtual card, the fee is around $10, and for the physical card, the fee is around $100. And if you need a card, just select the card that you want and click on apply card. And then you're gonna see this page. You're gonna put your billing address and click on pay. The same goes for the physical card. You put the shipping address and they're gonna ship it to you after around 15 days. So for the card, here is the card. So you can click here to reveal the information of the card, and you can flip it as well, and you're gonna see the other information of the card. You also have access to the limit option, which lets you limit a single transaction. For example, if you want to change it to, let's say, $7, you just confirm it, and then your card cannot get charged more than $7 in a single transaction. And then you have the freeze option in case you want to block your card. Then the bill option, which lets you see all the previous transaction. And then we have the settings. For example, you can change the card tag, you can change the payment currency, and you can as well modify the billing address. And then you can reissue cards. For example, if you want to update CVV and expiry date, you just need to pay $5 for it. After that, you can also delete the card by using this option. And then we have the accounts page, which lets you access referral options, security, payment settings, and the support center in case you have a problem. And what I also find cool with this app is that they also have like some promotion, for example, a referral challenge. So you can invite your friend and get some bonuses for it. So for example, if you want your referral link, just click on invite now, and your referral link will be here, and you just need to copy it and invite your friend, and you will get some bonuses. And to prove you guys that it works with the Apple Pay, I'm gonna show you my card linked with my Apple Pay. So here's my card linked to my Apple Pay, and I can use it to tap to pay and use it for everyday life. So actually guys, my experience with this card is very good. I used the virtual one for the past few months, and then I decided to order a physical one. And the reason why I got the physical one is because I wanted to get money out of ATMs. Also, for people who ask about the fees are around 1%, so it's not a lot of fees. So it's very worth it, and it will save you time and hassle of converting your crypto assets to your local bank. So for the disadvantage of this service, I think it's still not a bank. For example, you cannot move the assets that you have in your card to your local bank. But for me, I do not mind this, and I've seen more advantages than disadvantages for this service. If you have any other question, you can let me know in the comments. And it's all for me. I try to be transparent with you and share the maximum information possible. Have a very great day, and see you on the next one.